What's up guys, JAILBREAK here, back at it again with a brand new video. So I haven't been posting recently, but I'm back now with a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Batman the Enemy Within all of the episodes for free for iOS. Currently I have iOS 13.7 on my phone right now, so you can get it for that or anything below. And again, just like before, no jailbreaking, your phone won't slow down, none of that stuff. As I said, this is Batman the Enemy Within, and that's the second Batman game. So I did make a video for the first Batman game, which I will leave a link in the description below, and I highly recommend finishing that first, because what I did, I just played the second one first and then I played the first one, and the beginning of this second one was a little confusing because I didn't know the context exactly, but regardless, it was still really fun to play. It's a great game, and I highly suggest you first play the Batman first one, the Batman the Telltale series, and then this one. Regardless, you're gonna have fun. So before we get into it, there are a few steps you need to do before you can actually put the hack into the app. And basically the first step is to smash the like button, just to help my channel and to support any future content I may have. But yeah, regardless, just like, subscribe, but let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you have this iAmazing application downloaded. I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, you need to make sure that you have this hack. I'll also leave a link in the description below, and a few people have actually commented saying that they were having trouble downloading this, and I kind of understand why now. So I'll just show you guys briefly just how to download it. So after you click on the link that I have below, you'll be here. Now what you want to make sure you do is have your ad blockers turned off, right? And make sure you have them turned off, or you can click the link in incognito mode, right? And so once they are, you'll be here, just skip ad, and it'll be a pop-up, and here you need to make sure you click allow. Okay, then you'll be to this page, right? Just give it a minute and just download that. Okay, after you download it, it'll look like this. All right, so after you have these two things, you need to make sure that your phone is plugged into the computer, and you need to make sure that your Batman the Enemy Within app is actually downloaded on your phone. It's about 1.8 gigs, so just make sure you have that downloaded. And yeah, after that, open this application, the iAmazing application. Make sure everything's connected. You can ignore this for now. Click on manage apps. Okay, you can see iOS 13.7, right? And all your applications will be here right now, as you see. Go on device over here and just scroll down until you find here batmantew. This is the Enemy Within. Right click and click restore app data. Choose and put the hack, and this won't restore. Basically what this will do is just reset the app, the Batman app. So if you did play the first episode, unfortunately it will reset it and you will have to play it again. However, if you just downloaded the app, you will be fine. It'll just put in all of the episodes. All you need to do afterwards is download them, which I will show later on just how to do exactly. Okay, so make sure you choose that and you click done. And it'll say here, iAmazing will restore application data and reboot your device. Restore now. Now again, this won't reboot your device how you may think, like get rid of all the files or anything. It'll just reboot it like a restart. That's really it, because it just needs to do that to input all of the data in it. So just click continue. And here, yeah, this is also another thing you need to do. Make sure your Find My iPhone is turned off. So this is how you do it right here. It says, go to settings. Okay. After that, at the top you'll see like your name, right? It'll just say Apple ID and all that stuff. So click on that, click on Find My, then you'll see Find My iPhone, right? And just turn that off. Once you turn it off, it'll ask for your Apple ID. So just put in your Apple ID. Okay, so I just did that right now, and it will begin to reset your phone. You'll see that it's on your phone if you have it close by, which you should. You'll see it's resetting right now, as my phone is. Okay, and it won't take too long. But yeah, so it says here, enter the passcode once it has restarted. Now I'll just go onto my phone and I'll show you guys exactly how it's worked. Okay guys, so now we're on my phone. As you can see, Batman 2 is downloaded. So let's just get on that right now. Full disclosure, when you first open this app, it may crash for the first time, but just click on it again and it should get you past the loading screen. And as you can already see here, the loading and everything, it's actually not in English. The title is, but everything else isn't in English. So once we get to the main screen, I'll show you exactly how to change it back from whatever language this is. So here we are, and here we are. So you want to change this to English, right? So I'll show you guys what to do. You need to click the prompt on the right in the middle, which I will show, as you can't see where my fingers are. Right there, you want to make sure you click that. Okay, now you want to make sure you click the bottom right, now the top right. Okay, and now just keep going until you change it to English, as you see here. Okay, now click the back button, and at the top, accept. Now, as you can see, you have to click play episodes, but the thing with this is, as I said before, Batman 1 is actually very relevant to this. So here you would have to choose how your story begins. So season 1. So I would suggest using the default choices, or you can continue a story. But yeah, regardless, it's still a very fun game. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you guys.